Hello and welcome back to my channel. If not back, then just welcome. If it is your first time here, I would love it if you would click on the subscribe button and join me on my YouTube journey. Lately, I've been playing around with the Smokey Eye. I was intimidated by the Smokey Eye because it's one of those looks where the intention is very clear, and if you mess it up, that's also very apparent. I think the part that was really holding me back was I had it in my head that I had to use a black eyeshadow instead of viewing smoky as just like a technique that you can use with any eyeshadow shade. But now I have found a version that I am comfortable with, and whenever I do a smoky eye, this is the version that I do. Today I've decided to pair it with like super dewy skin and a bright coral lip to get those summer vibes going. Coral is everywhere all the time right now. Yeah, I feel like that is enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get into this makeup. Today I'm using Dethroned from the Colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette. It's a perfect chocolate brown metallic shade. I love using my finger to apply and blend the shadow. I can better control the shape and intensity. I also only like to use one shade because I'm lazy and I want maximum glam impact with the least amount of effort. This does have shimmer and I plan on using a bright lip color later. I'm going to add a little bit of Duchess onto my lower lash line to bring the smokiness down the eye without adding too much texture. Smoky eyes call for drama on the lashes, so I'm mixing two mascaras together. The first being the Glossier Lash Slick. It's super lengthening, not volumizing whatsoever. So I'm gonna go on top of that with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. The Kush Mascara is super black and dramatic, just like me. For my face, I'm using this mix of primer, a liquid highlighter, and a foundation. I'm still on the hunt for my summer foundation. I'm tired of being matte, but I haven't found the perfect medium coverage dewy foundation of my dreams yet. I'm not using blush, but I'm going to bronze. I've been into bronze skin. I think it's because I actually have a tan this summer, so I want to play that up. On my lips, I'm going in directly with my lipstick without removing the balm first. That way it'll sheer out the color a little bit. Even though I'm adding a bright color, I still want the focus to be on the eyes. And this here is the final look. As always, if you have made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Till next time, bye folks.